Hey guys, so today we're going to go over an Etsy store that's doing about $100,000 a month in revenue. Let's see what they're doing right, how they stand out, how they market, and their whole strategies and systems behind what they do. So let's jump onto the computer and let me show you. So here we are. This is Furlio. As you can see, they've done 25,000 in sales. And then a good way to see when they roughly first started was to go to their first review page, and as you can see, they've only been going, what's that, just under 2 years. 25,000 sales, star seller. They've got everything really set up well. So what we can do now is say their average product price is probably around £30. So let's give this a little go. So as you can see, they are doing big numbers and they have been blowing up recently. So that's how they're doing 100k a month in revenue currently, and I'm expecting them to do about 200k over Christmas. So what are they doing well? Well, first of all, they have 225 items and 224 on sale. Fantastic. Free delivery. People love that. You know, incorporate a sale price into your normal price so it can always be on sale. Incorporate delivery costs into your prices too, so you can offer free delivery. People love that. Here they're doing 15%, 20%, you know, perfect prices. That 30% on these. So, you know, they are really playing around with it. The high-end prices, products get 30, lower end get 15, mid 20. It's a great way to go about it. You know, so they've been on the platform for a while. So, I mean, after 3 months, you can become a star seller. And that's if you reply to messages, I think it's within 12 hours. You know, you send, you process orders on time and give them tracking numbers. And your review is above 4.8. And as you can see, if we scroll down to the bottom, they have 5,800 reviews and they are doing very, very well. So, more about the homepage, neatly organized into sections. Sections are fantastic. You know, people want to go here. They want to easily break it down. Because look, what is it I want? What is it I want? Don't know what I want that. No, they don't have it. I'm off. But it's here. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, that's what I want. Oh, this one's nice. You know what I mean? Streamline it, reduce friction, make it easy for them. So now that we have a product open, let's go through what they do. So it looks like their sales ending. They'll probably top that up, getting ready for Christmas. So they have a nice real world photo with a photo of the product, you know, that stands out. And the rest of their photos are just how everything works. So there it is in the real world, how it works, more information, examples, different layout designs, more, you know, options, and then just some digital examples here. So that's how they build up. They really make use of how many photos Etsy allows them. They use the correct sizing, and it really does stand out. You know, too many listings have 1 photo, 2 photo, and they aren't good. Show your audience exactly what it is you're offering. So now we come over here and look at the use of keyword stacking. So they don't really break up the keywords. They're kind of just all flowing, which I'm not a big fan of. I would rather have the main, keyword there, the main, what the product is, the title, then break it up with a dash and then separate the keywords after with commas. So now we'll avoid this bit for now. So they have, you know, the standard Etsy highlights what the Etsy default given. You just fill them in basically. So they use, this is their template. So all the way up here, that is their template they use on most of their listings, especially for these personalized portraits. And then, you know, this is probably just a copy and paste what they use a lot. So once they have that default template structure for their descriptions, it's just rinse and repeat, especially here with the photos. You know, this can be used across all of these types of products that they list, because they do various ones, as you can see, you know. And then they just have these basic digital prints as the images, and then because they do so well, they get real world photos back from customers. So now in here they have a ton of options you can use, and because it's a digital print to start with, they offer a low entry point. You know, so people see that low price, but that is for the digital file. So then obviously to get the real thing sent out to you, it costs more. And then this is just using personalization in your Etsy listings. And because they're a star seller, they get this. What I would also recommend doing for a new store, it'll be hard for these because of their sheer volume, but using low quantity, you know, so it looks like it's low in stock for potential customers, which makes them more eager to buy, quicker to bite the bullet and get things ordered. So their delivery times here, as you can see, not the quickest because of the personalization fact. If you can add personalization to your products, then people do accept longer wait times, but they also accept long wait times due to the Etsy platform. They dispatch from Canada, and then if you come down here, you see all of their other products. And because this is their niche, they are dominating it. So now if we come back, look how cute these are. We'll see the same thing again, how it works, you know, more prints, patterns, blah, 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 types, and then just some digital photos thrown up like that. Same again here. They have their basic template they use across most of them. You know, they have a lot of mugs, so this will be the same thing for that whole section. Again, with the title, you know, keyword stacking and so on. And they are, you know, playing around with different options here for the same price point. So they are doing well because they have a lot of options and they have personalization. This store will do their biggest months will be over Christmas. You know, that's when they'll see a huge growth. The rest of the year they'll just coast by. Because of personalization, because of the fact that they are designed around gifts, as you can see here, but they are truly dominating the Etsy market. So if we just went to, personalized portrait for him, so let's scroll down until we can find them. This might have been a bad keyword to search now that I think about it. Let me do personalized. This is more their stuff. Okay, so they're appearing up here. This is them, as you can see. So they're appearing at the top. And now it's not wanting to show the rest of them. But they are really dominating this niche. They are doing extremely well. They have only been in the game for less than 2 years, and this just really shows the true potential if you do things right from the start. They knew their products, they were able to get them out in time, they adapt to the market, and as you can see, Etsy is really rewarding them for it. So the key things to take away from this is having your branding, having your organization, knowing your keywords, having those description templates, and making sure you are using the right photos for it. Spend a bit of time creating your standards, your procedures for photos, design up some nice ones, design up some descriptions that can be rinsed and repeated across the store. And then listings become so much more easy. you know, you can really throw out multiple listings very quickly. And as you can see, build up to this many listings. Just make sure you stay organized, you stay on top, and you really focus on putting quality above everything else. You know, they would not be doing as well with 225 listings if they didn't have their standards and procedures, if they weren't so fussy about thumbnails, about descriptions, about keywords. You know, that's why they are doing so well. So I hope you take note of what's been said and implement them onto your Etsy store, and you will see success a lot quicker.